The movement we are eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. Now, with great honor and excitement, I would like to invite our esteemed chief guest to the stage and say a few words.
We look forward to our thought-provoking address that will surely guide and inspire us as we work towards our nation mission for the betterment of our nation. Chief guest address.
Good afternoon, children. Next 5 minutes, I want the children to be silent, okay? बहुत शोर मचा लिया आप लोग. अगला 5 मिनट ध्यान से सुनो क्या कहने जा रहे हैं. It is indeed a great privilege for me to come to this school for the Independence Day celebration, and I thank the school principal, the secretary, and all the staff members and the children who have toiled very hard for this program. I was surprised because whatever song they played for the dance or the skit, I was surprised to see most of the children singing the songs. तेरी धरती में मिल जावा, उसके बाद क्या लाइन आता है? बोलो. गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा. ठीक, बहुत बढ़िया. गाते तो हैं गुल बन के खिल जावा, मगर गुल के समान तो नहीं है. गुल मतलब क्या होता है? क्या? What does bloom? Flower. Flower. If you want to be a budding flower or a flower which brings to its full capacity, it blooms to its full capacity, तो क्या बनना है आपको? You have to be a better citizen. A good citizen. Whenever our freedom fighters fought and saved this country from slavery, not for us to just चलते बनना करके नहीं है. If you know that our country, more than 50% of our country is youth. Only less people are there who are old. So the country belongs to the youth and the children. So what are you children going to do? If you want to bloom like a flower, if you want to be gracious enough for others, if you want to spread your fragrance for others, if you want to give the beautifulness of you in the eyes of others, what do you need, the children need to do? There are few things which I would like to share. Just keep it in your heart. Just 2 minutes I'm going to take of your time because already the time is 1 o'clock. And आप लोग लेट से शुरू हुए थे हम लोग जरूर, मगर I'll definitely finish within 2 or 3 minutes of your time. First and foremost, if you want to make a change in this nation, if you want to bring a change in this nation, the nation which our forefathers dreamt of, the nation which we all want to build, and you as a future citizens of this country want to build, you need to focus on your education. You need to study hard, you need to gain knowledge, you need to access knowledge, try to collect as much information as possible from the media. Definitely most of you might be using social media for wrongful things. Instagram में reel घुमाने के लिए नहीं काम चलता है. That will definitely not give you wisdom or not give you any knowledge. If you want to develop wisdom and knowledge, you should make use of the social media platforms positively for your benefit so that you better become a better citizen in the future. You have to study hard, you have to gain knowledge. Second and foremost, you have to be a responsible citizen. Being a responsible citizen means you have to voluntarily help others and those who are in need of help. You have to respect your elders, obey your teachers, maintain discipline, when they are, I see a couple of teachers constantly walking up and down telling you keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. कहने का जरूरी है आप लोग सब इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ रहे हैं. You are well educated, your parents want you to become a future citizen of this country. You should begin being responsible citizens by being obedient to your elders, taking care of the public property. बस में जा रहा है, कोई बड़े बुजुर्ग को पान खा के थूकते हुए देखेंगे तो you have to speak out. अंकल क्यों पान खा के बाहर थूक रहे हैं? You have to speak for the good things, small act of not littering around, not putting waste here and there, not throwing garbage here and there. Little social awareness things you should be aware of. Speak up for what is right. Whenever you see that there is something wrong being done, you should stand and question. You should speak up for those who cannot speak, the weak people. If you see some student bullying another child, you should go and stop it. You should speak, stand for what is true, be honest. Then only we can build a fair and equal society. Last but not the least, we have to respect diversity. All religion, caste, creed should be put aside, and everyone should be watched with the same eyes, the same equal eyes. No one is from a downtrodden people or a higher caste, lower caste, that all should be gone. We should accept and respect all people irrespective of their religion. We should learn from our history, Indian history, where our freedom fighters, irrespective of their caste and creed, they fought for this nation. Don't think that only adults can make a change in this nation. Small children like you, like the teenage children, can definitely make a small change. A small drop of water will make it into a huge ocean. Finally, before I conclude my speech, I would like to remind a quote given by our former president, APJ Abdul Kalam. Even I saw the kids dance, they were wearing in their t-shirt, dream, dream, dream. There is a famous quote, dream, 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 because dream transforms into thoughts and thoughts result into action. So I would like you to dream how you want the future India to be, how great our nations to be, how successful and powerful our country should be. It all depends in your hands. Unless you want to make a change in this nation, the nation will remain the same as it is today unless you decide to give it a change. I once again thank for the opportunity given by the school management and for the students as well who patiently, silently listened to my address. I thank you once again. I thank you for the management. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.